Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be brewing coffee using the GSI Coffee Rocket. This is a clever, really lightweight pour over brewer, and it packs down within itself to weigh only 77 grams. Now, perfect for traveling, it's an ideal coffee brewing device for camping or hiking. There are three parts to the Coffee Rocket. We've got the water funnel up top. We have a stainless steel reusable filter that has some really nice holes in it, and this is going to filter out your grinds from your brew. Then there's the holder that attaches it all together, and this also supports it over the top of your cup with some legs. Now it'll easily brew coffee in under 3 minutes, so let's dive straight in and brew a coffee using the GSI Rocket. So first I'm going to weigh out my beans, and the reusable filter holds about 15 grams, which is also around 2 tablespoons. Now, if you were aiming for an even more lightweight packing solution, you could easily store 15-gram packets of pre-ground coffee in the water funnel. But for a little extra goodness, I'm taking along the Porlex Mini 2 in this travel scenario. And I'm grinding my beans just a little coarser than medium grind or a filter grind. Place them in the filter basket and assemble the rocket using the support legs to sit on top of your cup. Now you'll notice there are little graduations on the legs, and this is what helps center the rocket on your cup. Then with water just off the boil, I'm going to do a little pre-infusion here first. That's with a little dash of water just to get those grinds initially wet for extraction. Just wait 30 seconds here before filling the funnel up. About 3/4 of the way up, this will give you approximately 230 mils or 8 ounces of coffee. And then you've just got to let it drip through. And that's as easy as it gets. You do want to take care not to overfill your cup, or you'll end up with a great mess, or even worse, weak coffee. But once you've added all the water, you just let it brew away and drain out. Probably enjoy the scenery. It shouldn't take any more than a few minutes to drain, and it's the design of the snorkel you see sticking up in the funnel that allows the water to drain into the bottom without creating any of that back suction. And you can easily see why it's called the Coffee Rocket too. Kind of looks similar to one. And there's my rocket fuel. Now you can drink it black or add some milk, probably powdered milk if you're out on the trail somewhere, but for a delicious coffee, yeah, that's delicious. Pretty much anywhere you are, the Coffee Rocket makes a great single cup brewer. In cleaning the unit, it's as simple as disassembling everything, knock out those grinds, with a rinse and a dry, you're ready to go again, or store it away for your next adventure. And that's the GSI Coffee Rocket for you. It's a tiny brewer with big potential. It makes great coffee, it's lightweight, portable, and reusable. If you have any questions on the GSI Coffee Rocket, then throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this one every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.